It is necessary to have an impeccably clean and sanitary work area when preparing food for consumption. Let's start with how work area cleanliness correlates to contamination. Food comes into direct contact with many surfaces in a food service establishment. Thus, it is quite easy for food to be contaminated by a pot, a counter or a workstation that was improperly cleaned. Keeping the work area clean and tidy is essential in order to avoid contamination and food poisoning. All rooms in a food service establishment must be properly cleaned and sanitised. This includes dining rooms, bathrooms, lobbies, kitchens, storage areas. The work surfaces of the food preparation area must be cleaned and disinfected after each use. It is best to use smooth, non-porous and scratch-resistant surfaces to avoid spaces in which contaminants can live and survive. This includes countertops, floors, walls, ceilings. It is necessary to clean and sanitize equipment and utensils that may be used in the manufacturing, processing, storage, transportation or distribution of food on a regular basis. Examples of equipment that needs to be regularly cleaned are sinks, basins for hand washing and food washing, cutting boards, grills, stoves, ovens, containers, dining utensils. You need to monitor equipment for wear and tear and damage, and monitor machinery for necessary repairs. When mechanical equipment degrades, it may release contaminants into the food during cooking or preparation. For example, metal flakes may become dislodged due to excessive friction, or there may be rust present. The design of a food preparation area and kitchen affect the business's workflow. It is best to find the optimal layout to ensure that cross-contamination is prevented and that there is a seamless workflow daily. Areas should be specifically designated for a single purpose to avoid contamination. This also allows for less work traffic build-up in a single area, significantly decreasing the risk of cross-contamination. Time is a key aspect of the workflow plan. Time for defrosting, chilling and reheating, etc. matters during food preparation. Selecting where specific designated work areas should go reduces the risk of spoilage and waste. Additionally, efficient layout and tidiness can prevent and minimize injuries sustained at work. Cleaning is carried out using detergent and water. Detergents are used to remove dirt and grease from surfaces, then rinsed with water. They do not remove bacteria. This is why sanitisation is necessary. Sanitisers destroy bacteria and other microorganisms that can cause food poisoning and other illnesses. Disinfectants can be thermal or chemical, which are used to remove bacteria. However, some sanitisers are toxic and can do harm. This is why the residue must be rinsed off. Cleaning as you go along involves removing loose debris, then cleaning with detergent throughout the day as the area is used. Scheduled cleaning should be developed for each area to monitor and record how often a surface has been cleaned and sanitised. Stage 2 cleaning and disinfection entails cleaning an object or area first, then sanitising it afterwards. Appropriate cleaning and disinfection chemicals need to be decided on. Special attention must be paid to the dilution rate, which is how much water should be added without destroying effectiveness. The contact time, which relates to how long a disinfectant must remain on a surface to completely remove bacteria. The recommended time for hot water soaking is 2 minutes. Cleaning and sanitisation can help to prevent the attraction of pests in work areas.